Hi guys! So today I will be talking about the Victoria's Secret Fragrance Mist Glam Angel. Getting started, I just want to show you guys the bottle. So up here is just like this gold top, and then right here it's like imprinted with Victoria's Secret on the top. Guys, I love these bottles. These are my favorite. Right here it just says Victoria's Secret. And then right here, it's going to have like the Victoria's Secret part, Glam Angel. It just says fragrance mist. And this is the 8.4 fluid ounces. Okay, so getting started on this like fragrance mist, I just want to give you guys a quick backstory. So when I was younger, I always shopped at Pink. I would never go to Victoria's Secret for anything. Even when I was with my mom, it was so weird because like my mom and my aunt would make me wait outside, and I was so annoyed. I was like, why do I have to wait outside? Like, in Pink, growing up, Pink was kind of the stores. And for anybody who doesn't know, Pink and Victoria's Secret are owned by the same person. Pink is more of like young teen, or it's more of like a teenage, preteen, young adult store. I'm 21 and I don't really wear clothes from Pink anymore. I donated all of mine, but I definitely will still get their lotion and their perfume. But when I think of Pink, it's more of like a teenage store, somewhere where it was like my favorite store in high school. So yeah, I really do love that store. But like I say, like growing up, my mom would never let me go into Victoria's Secret. It was kind of like one of those stores where it was like it had lingerie in it and stuff, and she just didn't want me to go in there. And so I remember like my first times going to the mall by myself with my friends. I would always tell my friends, I would always be like, hey, let's go to Victoria's Secret, and like we would just go in there and like goof around and stuff. But I would actually go in there and get like my mom's favorite perfume for her because she loved Love Spell, and like Love Spell is like one of Victoria's Secret's like top like perfumes and lotions. It's been around for a long time, and I know that's like a crowd favorite amongst them. But I would always go in there and get that for her, and then me and my friends would just goof around and like go like pretend like to try on the lingerie and stuff. I don't know, we were just like we never got to go in there with our parents, so we just would go in there. But I remember when I got older, I started like shopping in there and stuff for like undergarments and everything like that. And I would always go to Pink for my perfume and lotion. So I never really paid attention to the perfume and lotion section at Victoria's Secret until as of lately. And guys, I just want to put this out there about Victoria's Secret perfume. So the way this is marketed, honestly, I do love it. That's one of the reasons why I purchased it, is because I went to their semi-annual sale. I love the way this bottle was marketed. And something cool about this perfume is this one is called Glam Angel. So like I love wearing this like out to bars and stuff like that. I love wearing this when I'm going to weddings, anywhere that I'm dressing up for. I love wearing this. But something cool is that they have a perfume called Night Angel, and it's like black, and this part is like where it's white, it's like black, and this part is like pink. And guys, it's the two coolest perfumes that I got, so I had to get both of them. Probably best investment in perfume that I have like had thus far. But yeah, like I said, I had to invest in this. But the one thing I am gonna say is that looking at this bottle, you would think that it's something that would be in Pink, because Pink is more of like teenage, like young adult store, and this looks like a teenage perfume. So when I was purchasing this, actually funny story, I asked a lady, even though it's a Victoria's Secret on here and all the Pink bottles say Pink on the brand, I asked the lady, I was like do like when I'm purchasing this, like I was like, is this really from Pink? Or like, and she started laughing. She's like, oh my goodness, no. She's like, we just came out with this new line, and she's like, it's really going fast. But she was like, I know it's kind of younger looking compared to a lot of our stuffs. And I honestly, guys, it's very inexpensive, especially for a Victoria's Secret like mist. I think this is a very inexpensive mist. Also too, something else cool that I really like about this, and especially these bottles, these newer bottles that Victoria's Secret have, is that it lasts so long. So I've had this for a really, really long time now, and it's honestly lasted me so long. I love carrying this with me in my purse. It's not so overpowering to the extent where I can't use it anymore. I really do love using this perfume. It's very convenient for me. And then also too, I get so many compliments on it, and not even on the smell. Like the smell, it smells really good, guys, but just on the bottle. Like I remember I took this out of my gym bag one day when I was in the locker room, and this girl had came up to me and she's like, "Where did you get that perfume from?" And I'm like, "Oh, can you smell it? I'm so sorry." And she's like, "No, I love the way it looks." And so guys, like I said, marketing is half the point. Like if you can catch my eye with a product, then as long as it's a good smelling product and it lasts for a long time. And with a lot of Victoria's Secret products, I never have that issue. The way this is marketed is just on top. By far one of my favorite Victoria's Secret perfumes that I've purchased based off of how it's marketed. Something else that is really, 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 really nice about this is I love the nozzle on this perfume. I hate nozzles on perfumes that are just so big that when you spray it, it's just overpowering. I love how this nozzle and it gives an even spray flow. But guys, like I said before, one of my favorite perfumes, definitely would recommend it. And this is just the Victoria's Secret Glam Angel.